Your windows are an essential part of your home's overall comfort, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal. In Fort Worth, where the weather can fluctuate from hot summers to chilly winters, windows play a crucial role in keeping your home comfortable and your energy bills in check. Over time, however, windows can show signs of wear and tear. If you're unsure whether it's time to replace your windows, here are some clear indicators that it may be time for an upgrade. Drafts and air leaks. If you're noticing drafts in your home, especially around your windows, it's a strong sign that they may no longer be performing their intended function. Air leaks around the edges of windows allow warm air to enter during the summer and escape during the winter, making it harder to regulate your home's temperature. This can lead to higher energy bills as your HVAC system works overtime to maintain a comfortable temperature. To check for drafts, hold a candle or incense stick near your window frame on a windy day. If the flame flickers or the smoke blows sideways, it's a clear sign that air is leaking through the window. Replacing your old windows with energy-efficient models can help eliminate drafts and reduce your utility costs. Condensation between the panes. If you see condensation or fog between the panes of your double-paned windows, it's a strong indication that the seal has failed. Modern windows are often designed with 2 or more panes of glass that are separated by a gas-filled layer to improve insulation. When the seal around the panes breaks down, moisture can get trapped inside, leading to condensation. While this may seem like a minor inconvenience, it can actually affect the energy efficiency of your home. Moisture trapped between panes can also cause damage to the window frame over time. If you're dealing with this issue, it's usually a sign that it's time to replace the window altogether. Difficulty opening or closing windows. Windows that are hard to open or close are not just inconvenient, they can be a safety hazard. If the window tracks are damaged, the frame is misaligned, or the window is swollen due to humidity, it can become nearly impossible to operate the window. This could be a particular concern in emergencies when you need to exit your home quickly or allow ventilation. If you find that your windows are difficult to maneuver or they don't stay open, it's time to consider a replacement. Modern windows are designed with smooth, easy operation in mind, providing both safety and convenience. Increased energy bills. Windows that are outdated or damaged can significantly affect your home's energy efficiency. Poor insulation, drafts, and old frames can allow heat to escape during the winter and enter during the summer, forcing your air conditioning and heating systems to work harder. As a result, you may notice a spike in your energy bills. Replacing your old windows with energy-efficient, insulated models can help you save money in the long run. Look for windows with low-E glass, which helps reflect heat, or choose windows with multiple panes of glass to improve insulation. In a climate like Fort Worth's, energy-efficient windows can make a noticeable difference in your monthly utility costs. Visible damage to the window frame. Over time, exposure to the elements can cause window frames to deteriorate. In Fort Worth, where summers can be hot and winters occasionally bring freezing temperatures, window frames are subjected to extreme weather conditions that can cause warping, cracking, or rotting. Wood frames, in particular, are prone to water damage and can eventually rot, while metal frames can rust and become weak. If you notice any visible damage to the frames, such as cracks, rot, or rust, it's a clear sign that your windows need replacing. Damaged window frames not only affect the appearance of your home but can also reduce the window's energy efficiency and security. Excessive exterior noise. If you live in a busy area of Fort Worth or near a noisy street, you may notice that outside sounds are becoming more noticeable inside your home. Older or poorly insulated windows can allow noise to seep in, reducing your peace and quiet. If you're experiencing an increase in noise levels, it may be time to replace your windows with soundproof or noise-reducing models. Modern windows with double or triple glazing, along with specialized noise-reducing coatings, can help significantly reduce the amount of external noise that enters your home, giving you a quieter and more comfortable living space. Windows are aesthetically outdated. While functionality is crucial, the appearance of your windows also plays an important role in your home's curb appeal. If your windows are outdated, faded, or mismatched with your home's exterior, it may be time for a refresh. New windows not only improve the look of your home but can also increase its value if you ever decide to sell. Choosing a modern window style that complements your home's architecture can enhance its aesthetic appeal and boost its marketability. From sleek, contemporary styles to more traditional designs, new windows can give your home a fresh, updated look. Conclusion: windows are a crucial component of your home's comfort and energy efficiency, so it's important to address any issues as soon as they arise. Whether it's drafts, condensation, difficulty operating the windows, or visible damage, these signs indicate that it's time to consider replacing your windows. In Fort Worth's climate, upgrading to energy-efficient, modern windows can improve your home's insulation, reduce energy bills, and enhance curb appeal. If you're experiencing any of these issues, it's worth consulting with a professional to assess your windows and explore replacement options. A well-timed window replacement can enhance your home's comfort, safety, and value for years to come.